For I will be the best I can be. I will not break, I believe in your liberty. Walking every step in love with creation, living every day in a higher meditation. No Babylon man will ever stop our movement. No Babylon man will ever conquer I deny. Take time each day to pay close attention to my thoughts and my actions and the words that I say, the effect I have on others each and every day. How I live my life, how I lead the little children, living life and love should be our planet, true mission, yeah. Come on and live it for love. It's love now. Come on and live it for love. It's love now, yeah. And we can blaze a fire, burn off the impurities that we've been drinking by us. That ever blazing fire, coming out from up above, manifest on the earth and the beating heart of love. That ever blazing fire, burn off the impurities that we've been choking by us. That ever blazing fire, coming out from up above, manifest on the earth and the beating heart of love. The beating heart of love, oh oh, the beating heart of love, yeah. The beating heart of love, oh oh, the beating heart of love, yeah. Beating out of love, beating out of love, beating out of love. So be the best you can be. You need not fret, you can live in your liberty. Walking every step in love with creation, living every day in a higher meditation. No Babylon man will ever stop our movement. Oh, oh. No Babylon man will ever conquer each day to pay close attention to your thoughts and your actions and the words that you say, the effect you have on others each and every day. How you live your life, how you lead the little children, living life and love should be our only true mission, yeah. Come on and live it for love. It's love now. Come on and live it for love. It's love now, yeah. And we can blaze a fire, burn off the impurities that we've been choking by us. That ever blazing fire, coming out from up above, manifest on the earth and beating out of love. That ever blazing fire, burn off the impurities that we've been choking by us. That ever blazing fire, coming out from up above, manifest on the earth and beating out of love. The beating out of love, oh oh, the beating out of love, yeah.